Hey guys, you're watching Shoaib Malik only on Gravity Flying India, and today we have the UAV design with us. I'm going to show you what I have with me. So first design, this is UAV phase 1 design. You can see here, this is a fuselage of phase 1 design. It's having a small length compared to this phase 2 design. I had a problem while flying this model. It was a tail heavy, a little bit a tail heavy model. So what I did in the tail section is I have removed the circle portion of this. So let me show you. In this design, in the tail section, the boom of the tail section, I have removed the circle in between of the wooden plate. So in this design, what we are going to do is, today we have two options with the motor power. One is the 2300 kV motor and the second is 980 kV motor. And we are going to have the test flight with this both motor with the help of these 2 and 3 different batteries. I have a 3 cell 2200 mAh battery, 3 cell 5200 mAh battery and a 4 cell 5000 mAh battery. So let me go ahead for the flying, but before this, let me show you how the setup of the electronics in this is. This is an openable window here. This is a battery package. We can place here the power system here, and you can also use to install this place like a recording camera here in the bottom of the belly. And this is, you can see all the receiver, and this is the place for the autopilot. You can install here all the electronics, the cables, and you can route easily. And this is the place to like install an autopilot system here. Approximately the distance is of 3.5 inches here. Okay. Right now I have installed the 2300 kV motor with the combination of 6 into 4.5 propeller, and the second combination I'm going to use is 980 kV motor with the combination of 9 into 6E propeller. In the earlier first UAV phase 1 design, I did not have this flap installed in this model. So now I have phase 2 design. In this I have installed a flap. 2 flap is here, you can see. And the second is this tail section, the horizontal stabilizer. In the phase 1 design, we had an issue that it was a bending in a horizontal like this. So now we have installed a stick here. This is a round broomstick I have placed in the horizontal stabilizer. So it's having a it do not move like this. It will stay and stable like this only. So this is a modification in this design. Hey guys, you're watching Shoaib Malik, and today we have a phase 2 design, and we are going to have the first takeoff to have a test flying with this model. Have a look at it. This is test flying number 2. Have it. This is test flying number 3. What I feel is the power is less. So what I did is I changed the power system. Right now I'm using the 980 kV motor with the 5000 mAh 4 cell battery. So let me check how the power is now. Hey guys, thanks for watching Gravity Flying India, and if you want to learn the flying or making of this kind of RC plane, join us our Gravity Flying India page. You can join us on a Facebook or on Insta as the same name as a Gravity Flying India. Thanks for watching us.